This city holds an interesting history, an enchanting tale that has been passed down from generation to generation. It is the story that resonates until today and into the hearts of every town folk. Let us be fascinated by San Carlos City.
Itong alamat ng Bernang na nahulog doon sa ilog ng San Juan ay galing yan sa Baldog. Yung Baldog na yan ang former bayan ng San Carlos.
Well, according to the historical chroniclers, mostly Spanish documents written by Spanish friars, there is a bell, a very big bell that fell into the river of San Juan River in San Carlos City. When the church was being transferred from its original site in San Juan, being moved to its present location in downtown San Carlos.
Noong panahong yon, 5 na yan, inahabol si Prinsesa Orduha. Itong Prinsesa Orduha, tinuntun niya yung river dyan sa bukana ng Lingayen hanggang papunta ng San Juan. Pagkatapos bumaba itong Orduha dito sa Baldog, Barangay Baldog. May tangkang nakawin ni Limahong yang kampanang yan at saka yung prinsesa, umiskip si prinsesa. Kaya yung kampana, inilipat nila dito. Yung kampanang yon nahulog.
Because of the weight of the bell, the size of the bell so huge that it fell down to the river. The river is called the San Juan River.
Nagkataon naman na yung sirinang galing sa Aguilar na babae, kinuha niya.
Noon bata-bata kami kasi sabi nila umakyat dito, di pumunta kami dito sa mga paningbatan, nakipagparty, mahabang buhok. Mayroon, isa, babae. Ewan ko kung buhay pa o wala na siguro.
May mga panahon na ng panahon ng mga Amerikano, sinisisid nila yan. Hindi nila mapuntahan yun, yung kampanang yan. Pinabugaran nga ng sirina.
According to oral legend, fell from the bridge into the river and it was irretrievable. Sa bigat, sa laki, hindi na may retrieve yung bell. And there is that oral legend na lumabas from since then ito ginagwardyahan ng mga unknown spirits or support, which is just oral legends. It's an oral legend which is possibly true because the old site was in San Juan, and to move the movable objects from San Juan to its present site, you have to pass through that bridge called the San Juan Bridge.
Whispered through the currents and kept in the minds of its locals, it is believed that the bell is still hidden in the waters of Barangay Baldog. Through the stories of elders, this tale of San Carlos lives on through its people.